adventure today. I am so excited because Kyle and I have a very special day planned. First of all, I'm gonna go pick up Kyle because he actually participated in a ultimate frisbee tournament this morning. Huh, right? He's so outdoorsy.
I'm more what you would call indoorsy.
I go outside and it's fun, but I much prefer to be inside.
Oh, it's embarrassing to say, I know.
Let's go pick him up and then we have some fun stuff planned. I'll tell you what it is once we get him. Let's go get him first. Oh, I'm gonna put the windows down. It's 71 degrees outside. It is a windows down kind of day. Mister.
Hello.
So how was your first disc golf tournament?
It was a learning experience. many unfortunate throws out there. A lot of trees were damaged by my throws.
Did you have a good time?
I had a great time. I would definitely do it again. Nice. I played with some nice people. Met some new people. They're nice people.
Well, great. So what are we gonna do today now?
Well, I was telling them on the last hole, there's like, hey, so what are you guys doing? What are you doing after this? I was like, well, my wife and I are going to go to Cincinnati and pick up some chicks. They're like, how many? I was like, yeah, like 8 of them. And they just kind of looked confused and baffled. And they said, like, why? Did you graduate or something? I was like, no, they were too raised. They're chickens. They're like,
oh. But you didn't tell them that right away. You let them just...
I thought it was kind of self-explanatory.
Yeah, sure you did. First we gotta drop off the car, and then we're gonna go.
Yeah, so I'll see you soon.
All right, meet you there.
All right, bye.
Say bye, Charlie. Bye. Bring me chickens. Okay. All right, you ready, Kyle?
I'm ready.
Putting it in the GPS. Let's go. All right, so we are on our way. We're headed to Mount Healthy Hatchery
Say that again.
in Cincinnati, Ohio. So it's about 2 hours away from us. It's 11:30 right now, and Kyle just completed his very first ever Ultimate Frisbee tournament. He says he
Did, what'd you call it?
Ultimate Frisbee.
No.
I just completed my first disc golf. This is the very best I've ever done at a disc golf tournament.
How did you do?
Very happy with myself. A lot of room for improvement.
Had a great time.
I can only go higher.
All right, so we're gonna go fill up with gas and then hit the highway.
You are awful at talking today.
I'm a great vlogger.
Hit the highway.
Another whirlwind adventure. We have already ordered our chickens and we're just going to pick them up now. And we ordered 8 of them. And I'm going to tell you the breeds and show you a picture of them. We won't be able to tell which one's which until their feathers come in because they'll look very different when they're just chicks. The first one we got is the Barnevelder.
So the Barnevelder, I picked that one out because it makes chocolate eggs. Not real chocolate.
Like a dark brown.
Very dark brown.
Yeah.
And I always thought that looked really cool. The taste doesn't change. The quality doesn't change. I just always liked that dark colored brown. I thought it looked really nice in a basket.
Yeah. The next one we got is the Black Australorp. Now we've had those before. They're pretty good layers.
They lay a lot.
We also got a Buff Brahma. It's one that I picked out, that I wanted to be my pet.
I think what's special about those is that they look like they're wearing pants.
We also got a golden laced Flying Dot.
We used to have those as well before. We called them the Downton Girls.
Oh yeah, those were the Downton Abbey girls.
Yeah, Downton Abbey, named them after the Downton Abbey Girls because
there were 3 of them.
3 of them, and they were super popular.
Yeah, this was at
Downton Abbey was super popular.
this was at the height of Downton Abbey's popularity, and they look kind of fancy because they look like they're
dressed up.
Yeah, we also got a Rhode Island Red.
And this is a classic Americana chicken. That is a heavy producer, heavy layers.
Is this Americana?
No, this is American breed.
Oh.
Americana didn't make the cut this year.
Yeah, the Americanas are the ones that lay colored eggs. They can lay green or blue or pink. We also got a Colombian Rock Cross.
This is new to me. They took two different chickens to make this one. It makes an extra large brown egg.
Oh.
And they make a lot of eggs.
Hey guys, this is Editing Stacy, and I'm just letting you know that I forgot a chicken, and it was the White Rock. Now this one's a little smaller than the other white chicken we got for Josie, but still a pretty prolific egg layer, and gonna be a pretty little white chicken out there in the yard. And the last one we got is the Rhode Island Blue, and that's Bruce's, right?
Yeah, Bruce wanted something completely different. He liked how it looked. So this one is going to have a black head, and the blue is kind of grayish blue feathers on the bottom.
It's less common of a chicken.
That's what we were told, yeah.
So that's it. Those are the 8 chickens that we're getting, and I'm pretty excited to see them. They're so cute when you first get them, and they're just little chicks. Oh. It's 1 o'clock right now, so we're about halfway there. I'm getting excited. Look at that view. Nice little boat right there. Grand time. Well, there's another one. Has the car from the back like the other one had too. This is a bigger. It's bigger, isn't it? Bigger yacht.
That's nicer. Look at that.
And where do you think they're going?
I don't know. That's a Targa 45. Fairline.
Seagull. Here.
Oh, we bypassed it. We bypassed a lot of it.
Yeah, we bypassed a lot of
So
it.
why did you take me off the road and then put me right back on it? Yeah, this is fine.
So there's a Charlie Harper print. What's the big deal here?
More down there.
Wait, let's go see more. Oh, there's a cardinal.
Yeah, it's more of it.
Butterfly.
I don't know if that's him or not. I don't recognize that. Yeah, that's him.
Yeah, that's odd.
Oh, no, Charlie Harper.
Look at that. Artist, or was. He passed away in 2007. And he is who our youngest child is named after. He was a dear friend to Kyle's parents. Oh, it's like really gray buildings. Yeah.
It's something special.
All right. Park right there, I guess. It's 2:10 and we made it. Let's go get some chickens. Let's go get some chickens. Look what Kyle's got, a little box of babies. Let me see it. Chick days.
It kind of reminds me of going to Kentucky Fried Chicken and.
Oh my gosh, it kind of does. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh, listen to that. I hear him. I hear him. Look what we got.
That one's Charlie's. And that one's Josie's, pretty sure. That's.
Is that Dolly?
No, that's the Rhode Island Red.
Oh, is that the road? Oh, look at that.
Or that one's probably Dolly, or that one's probably Dolly. That one's Bruce's, I'm pretty sure.
We got some chicks. You excited, Kyle?
Yeah, very excited.
Wow.
Very excited.
I never know how much.
Just you just do you, babe.
Me is pretty muted. Like when I watch me on your show,
Yeah.
I'm boring. I'm like, to me, I'm like a very excited person.
Yeah.
But
What you're feeling doesn't always translate into how.
yeah, I guess I come across as kind of like blunt or I don't know. I remember like.
I think you come across great, babe.
How about when we go pick up the girls, we'll stop by Kentucky Fried Chicken and get a bucket. We can either put them in there or we just hand them a fried chicken bucket. So here they go.
Here's your chickens.
Baby's on board. Oh.
Keep them warm. Yay! Yay!
So the whole process was really quick. She just handed them to us and said, keep those babies warm. Now we got some babies.
So for the first week or so, you want to keep them at 95 degrees.
Yeah.
And after that, every week you want to drop it down 5 degrees.
Hello, ladies. He's so cute. Little fluffy butts. Two of them have kind of a similar face. They're all trying to get underneath each other to warm up. All right, I'm gonna close the box. It's 3 o'clock and we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna stop and get a quick bite to eat real quick because the chicks will be in the car and then we'll head on home. So things are a little different right now. Let me show you how they're doing it. There's what Kyle got, the delicious meatballs. Ooh, look at this chocolate conspiracy cake. And we also got the gooey chocolate cake. And coffee with lots of cream. Oh, it's so gooey. Oh, that's sweet. The coffee's good. Now let's try this one. The conspiracy cake. That's the winner. What's that remind me of?
Uncooked cake.
All right, we're all done at IKEA. Had a quick bite. We're on our way home. We're starting to feel a little exhausted, I think. Are you feeling tired, Kyle?
I'm ready to go.
We're heading home. And next time we see you, we're going to be introducing these little chick babies to our little girl babies. Let's go. We did just realize that there are actually 9 chicks in here and not 8. So we got an extra. We got a bonus chick. We don't know what it is.
Which one it is?
Which one it is. If it's just a duplicate of one of the other breeds. Or something completely different we didn't even ask for. I don't know. But look at those cute little girls. Oh, they're already pecking. Who's the boss? I think she's gonna go to sleep. She go to sleep. Tucker it out.
You're so cute. I can smell them.
You smell them?
When are we gonna get to hold them?
When we get home.
And when we get home, we can
Hold the chicks.
Yeah?
I'm just so excited.
Yeah.
I just want to scratch a tail.
So this is the current chicken setup, starting with the tote, and that's the heat light. But these little girls are so excited. They're so excited. I told them to run around the yard to get some of that excitement out before they can hold the chicks. Because they got a lot of excitement energy. And silliness. Here's the coop. Once we put some of the sawdust type bedding in there, it's Fresh Flakes from Flock Party. Flock Party, that's cute. And then this is their heat lamp. There's their food and their water. We'll put that in there. Kyle's using his thermometer to see what the temperature is.
91.
91.
92. 93. 94. You have to keep an eye on that. You got it. You got it.
You gotta kind of train them to drink by just kind of pushing their head in the water. These are excited kids.
Almost 3 groups together, like 5, all grouped together. He's pecking at the ground.
That one's eating already.
Yeah.
Good job.
Let's go to turn out.
That one likes the heat.
See, now he's drinking.
Say good job.
Good job, chickens.
All these chicks are 1 day old.
So they're 1 year old.
No, 1 day. They just hatched
They just
yesterday.
My chicken is eating. Because this is their 2nd day of what? I'm going to test it.
Okay. Let me see yours, bub. Oh.
I'll go with this. How about mine?
Yeah. I held mine like this
Yeah,
because the heat.
yeah. My hands are really sweaty and hot.
Yeah, you got hot, sweaty hands.
Look,
Your
look
chick
at
will
mine.
love that.
Look at mine.
Chicks love that, Bruce.
My chicken is crazy.
Put it back in for tonight and let them relax a little bit and acclimate. Vanilla and what?
Culvers.
Culvers? You gonna name one of your chickens Culvers?
And banana.
And vanilla.
And sprinkles with it.
And sprinkles.
That's what it looks like.
That's some cute
Here,
chicken
I'm
names.
gonna
Yeah, the feathers are coming already. Those weren't there yesterday.
Yeah, they weren't. She's already getting her feathers.
Do they look bigger than yesterday?
They look a little bigger. Oop.
Yeah, they look a little bigger.
So it is Monday, and Bubby and Sissy are at school, so me and Charlie are gonna go check on the chicks, right?
Yeah, and hold them.
And hold them. All right, let's go. So here they are. You can see their feathers coming in.
Yeah, and mine have feathers too.
Right there is a feather. And this one has its feathers coming in right there.
Yeah.
Look at that. See those feathers? Those weren't there just a couple days ago.
Oh, that one is eating.
Yeah, they're eating and drinking now. They adjusted pretty well. All right, so it's Thursday, and look at these feathers. Look at that. All of those have come in just the last 5 days. All these little girls have grown all these feathers. I mean, it won't be any time and they'll be outside. So that's been the most surprising thing about this whole adventure is how quickly they go from little tiny fluffy chicks to chickens. Oh, they will definitely add some excitement to our summer. I'm super looking forward to it. You'll see them again in the vlogs. But I guess that's it for today, guys. So thank you so much for joining us. Love you so much and see you next time. Bye.
Be happy. Be happy.